Heathen's Garage. It's day 5. All we gotta do today is make a pass. We've completed miles of Mayhem. Now, unfortunately, it is the windiest day I've ever seen, and that makes for camera work outside tricky. There's a good possibility that today you'll see a lot of my face in the Jeep while we take video. Meanwhile, they called our class first, so I need to get unpacked and unmuffled and ready to go ASAP. This right here, this is something I've never seen before. It is just riding on the peaks instead of in the groove, and it is upside down, and somehow, who knows when that happened, but it stayed that way. I would really like to know how long it's been that way, and if I should just ignore it and it'll be fine, or if I should fix that, because it might just happen again. And what if the belt falls off next time? Okay. Now the other thing we need to look at is, yeah, as expected. As per normal, we've trashed one of these gaskets. If anybody has a better solution than these for getting this to seal on there, I'm all ears, because this is gasket number 4 of the trip. Now, it seemed perfectly natural that as soon as I had the air intake off, there was a dust storm going on. Folks, this is it. We're 2 cars back. We're about to take a light soon, in like 2 minutes, as long as it runs still. And then we will have completed miles of Mayhem. And that's pretty cool. Take your glasses off before you put your helmet on. Also, we're back on the button. Just 2 steps, no launch charge, because I didn't figure that out yet. But at least 2 steps so we make the sounds. And we get to race the other Jeep. Like, it's way faster than this Jeep, but we do get to race it. That's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. Thank you.
961.
Yeah. That's pretty exciting.
That's awesome. The Jeep's I might have broke though.
Yeah. And we went around it. But it's like, it's too bad that he broke.
Yeah.
I don't think he's broke.
I don't think he
carried
is
on.
either.
Something happened he didn't like.
Yeah.
Maybe. I think those things are famous for going into limp mode.
Oh, yeah. Okay, how's the hair?
Great.
I'm gonna have to do it 20 times today because it's so windy. But
Take a picture of this before you lose it.
yeah. Hand it in before you lose it.
If the guy gets excited and takes another run, that's better. I'd
Well,
rather
that's
hand a
true, I
better
guess.
one. We're actually not far up from gaining one more position,
Ooh.
which I know is like
It's fun though.
dumb and
to
pointless, but you know, we're lined up for another pass because just why not, right? Let's just have one more. Also, you guys watched the not Medicine Hat. You guys have seen the race in Three Hills where we raced the Jensen Interceptor, and then we lost to a Miata. The guy who was driving that Miata came and saw me. He's here. We're gonna talk to him and his family later. So I'm kind of excited about that. They're very diligent here at Saskatoon of cleaning the starting line, and I really appreciate that. It does take time though. I think my shoe is sticking to the underlay. That's kind of gross. Oh well. And 57! I was worth the second pass! Thank you.
Fastest yet.
Yeah,
How'd it feel?
good. Didn't make a bit of difference to the 60 foot. No, all the two-step in the world. No difference.
Oh my gosh. That feels like a good one to hand in though.
Yeah,
Your fastest one. After you do a little video.
yeah.
That's pretty good.
I don't know if that was enough to make the difference between.
Who knows, but it's personal best.
Well, it's a Jeep best, anyways.
The personal best is a Jeep.
Yeah, I'll take that one. I don't want my personal best to be 951.
No, personal best is a Jeep.
Yeah,
You have to go by vehicle.
yeah. Folks, you're about to witness my first ever interview. It's with a guy named Ben. I raced Ben in Three Hills earlier this summer, and he beat me in the final round, taking home the trophy, or plaque, or whatever. Anyways, Ben drove from Melfort, Saskatchewan 2 hours away to come watch us race, and I really appreciated it. So, funny story, if you guys have seen the Three Hills race video, there's this guy. This guy lives in Saskatoon. Well, you don't live in, where do you live? Melfort. He lives in Melfort. Is that a couple hours away?
2 hours away from here.
2 hours away. So he came and he's here to watch racing, and he came and said hi, and maybe he came to gloat. I don't know. We did lose.
I should have brought my plaque to just,
Oh, that would have been good. Yeah. Anyways, you got your boys. Who's this one?
Tucker.
This is Tucker. What's your name?
Oliver.
Oliver. How about you?
Charlie.
Charlie, what kind of trucks do you like?
Chevette.
A Chevette. How about Oliver's? Are you into trucks? Do you like trucks or cars?
Cars.
Cars. How about you?
Cars.
Cars. You got a favorite car?
Chevette.
A Chevette, eh?
Not the Miata? No.
None of your kids are following in your trend, eh,
No.
Miata?
I just got to give him a ride next time.
That's what it takes sometimes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ben, you have some custom woodworking, wood turning.
Yeah, I do wood turning on Bam Wood Turnings on
Okay.
Instagram. And
Perfect.
it's a lot of fun.
I'll put a link in the description
Yeah.
or somewhere if I can figure it out.
Yeah, come check it out.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. messing around with my lathe.
You do custom woodworking stuff too?
Yeah, I do a little bit of custom work.
Okay, cool. Check out the woodworking. I just want to extend a big thank you to Ben for coming saying hi and meeting his kids.
Yeah, we had to come out and see Heathen's garage in action again. And looks like he got a good time, a personal best, hey?
Personal best for that one for sure, yeah. The Jeep's
awesome.
never been faster.
Yeah, pretty cool to see.
Folks, we passed in a slip and we're done. We did the thing. We completed Miles of Mayhem. Now, the other thing I was doing that I've been meaning to bring up all week is I've been taking some pictures as we go. I took a lot of pictures. Some of them are even good. And if you want to see those pictures, you can check out a future issue of Cruise Culture magazine. It's an in-print magazine, with real paper and stuff, and high quality paper, not internet scan scrolly things. If you want to see your car, there's a good possibility it could possibly maybe be in there. Who knows? You'll have to get an issue to find out. Folks, it's over. We made it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.